Ladies and gentlemen, are you interested in the world's greatest and easiest job? Do you want a profession that's too good to be true? A career so unique that it prescribes no educational qualifications, no age limitations, no tough training, no work timings, and no mental and physical qualifications for the candidate. Secondly, no other profession on this planet has the freedom, flexibility, liberty, elasticity, autonomy, uniqueness, independence, excitement, thrill, adventure, ecstasy, and variety that this unbelievable job offers. Thirdly, there are no interviews required, and the paycheck can exceed $1 million or more. Forget the dull jobs that require you to slog 24/7 with eternal headaches like bad bosses, bad colleagues, office politics, recession, downsizing, outsourcing, etc., etc. And there is absolutely no catch. Sounds interesting? If so, then hold on to your hats because we have some exciting news for you. We present to you the perfect book, Become a Modern Artist, The Greatest and Easiest Job on Earth, by Thejendra Sreenivas. So why wait? Get your hands on this book today and start your journey to becoming a modern artist. Remember, the greatest and easiest job on earth is waiting for you.